I blind bought these 4 cheap fragrances and I have no idea if they are good or terrible. Welcome to the Italian Gentleman. Let's test this out. Let's start with this one from French Avenue, Pinnace Noir. Let's look at the presentation. The box opens like this and it comes out. I read some comments, people don't like this bottle design. I personally love it. I have other 2 of this line, the original Pinnace. This is an inspiration of Pacific Chill from Louis Vuitton, and Pinnace Orin. This is an inspiration of Afternoon Swim from Louis Vuitton. So this is supposed to be an inspiration to Boss Bottle Intense, a discontinued fragrance. I never smelled the original, but let's see how it smells. Yeah, actually very reminiscent of the original Boss EDT, more intense. I have the original one. I don't know, I smell more the cinnamon. It's a little bit sweeter, a little bit warmer, spicier, and definitely has that apple cinnamon vibe that the original Hugo Boss has. But the first one is a nice one, I like it. And it smells better than expected. For the price, very good. I paid it only $28. The next one is Kayaan Terra. The brand is Wataniah, and this is from the Kayaan line. I have the other 2 of the same line and are the original Classic, an inspiration of Dior Homme Intense, and Kayaan Gold, an inspiration of Paco Rabanne 1 Million. Both very good. So let's open it. This is the packaging. It opens like this. And the color, it's brown, same design as the other flankers. So this is supposed to be an inspiration of Boss Bottle Absolu, a fragrance that I love. For me, this one is a 10 out of 10, one of the best designer fragrances. Let's see it compares with Boss Bottle Absolu. Yeah, it's actually just from the first sniff, the first spray, you can definitely get the Boss Absolu vibes, and it's even closer than Assad Elixir. I think this is 80% similar. This one get even closer to Boss Bottle Absolute. Also nice one. Yeah, this is nice. It's spicy, it's woody, and richer and deeper than the first one. I like it. For $23 from very good for Wataniah Kayaan Terra. This one is a great clone of Boss Bottle Absolu. I mean, I still would buy the original instead of this, but for a quarter of the price is a good alternative. Now this one was super cheap. This is a designer. It was only $16. Let's open it. The packaging pretty standard, nothing special. So I have other 2 from this line from Vince Camuto. This is Terra, very similar to Versace Eros, and this is not cloning anything, it's Eternal. It's supposed to be in the same style of Giorgio Armani Acqua di Gio. The cap is not magnetic, but it fits perfectly into the bottle. So let's see how it smells. Yes, it reminds me of Acqua di Gio. It's also very similar to Bentley Silver Lake. It's citrusy, aquatic, super fresh, definitely a summer scent. Nothing groundbreaking, but for the price, you can do nothing wrong. And this is Vince Camuto Riviera. And finally, Khadlaj Island. This is supposed to be an inspiration of Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Beau Parfum. This is the packaging. very simple. The bottle looks nice, heavy cap. And now let's see how it smells. Pressurized atomizer. Oh yeah, this is definitely tropical vibe, coconut, fruity, summer in a bottle, very attention grabbing. This was Khadlaj Island, $23. Also still a perfect alternative to Beau. So quick recap, actually the one I like the most, maybe this one, I think is very close to Beau. Although my favorite DNA is Boss Battle Absolu. You can give it a try. This is a good inspiration. I think closer than La Taffa Assad Elixir. This one was also nice. And Vince Camuto is a fresh aquatic Acqua di Gio type of fragrance. So first impression, I was not disappointed at all. All four of them were great fragrances. For the price, I will definitely wear them now and enjoy them. I have to test them properly, but I can already say that they are all four very promising. Let me know in the comments which one are you most curious of. And if you want a full review of one of these, subscribe and join the Italian Gentleman. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.